How to use Snapchat to promote business. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's get started with this video. Starting off, you need your hands on Snapchat Ads Manager. For that, open up a browser and head to ads.snapchat.com. You'll be redirected to this page where you have to fill out your business name, your business email address, and your name. On to the next tab, enter your country, currency, business phone number, and business website if you have one. Once you have successfully logged in into your Snapchat Ads Manager, now you can define your campaign goals. You can attract your target audience, as Snapchat offers you a granular targeting option based on demographic, interest, behavior, and look-alike audience. To promote your business, you can select 4 of the ad format. First is Snap Ad. You will get a full screen video or images being displayed between friends' stories. Second is Story Ad. This consists of immersive ad within friend stories with multiple snaps, filters and lenses. Interactive filters and lenses helps user to apply it to the snap and also will navigate you to your business. Fourth is the Spotlight. It will allow you to feature your placement within the Discover tab. You will also have to set up a budget and bidding, determining your daily or campaign budget, and also select a bidding strategy. You can select 2 of the modes that would be automatic, which is recommended if you are a beginner, and manual bidding for more control over cost per click or impression. And that is all for the video as well. We hope that this was helpful to you.